I'm really excited to be working on this piece of redwood I found. My husband doesn't think it'll turn out to be much at all. He may be right, who knows? But I have high hopes that it'll turn out to be something quite magnificent. First thing I'll do is pull out my wood chisels to start removing this soft, non-viable wood. When working with the chisel, I recommend wearing gloves so you don't scrape your fingers on the wood as I often do. Notice how I push the chisel away from me, never toward me. And as always with woodworking, make sure you're wearing proper eye protection and a mask. I'm not wearing mine here, just for the sake of the video. Now that I've scraped away a lot of the soft, dead wood, I can get more of a clear vision of what this will look like once it's done. But you never really know until everything is sanded down completely. When using the chisel, the soft wood comes off fairly easily, so you'll know when to stop as the wood starts to get harder and more resistant. As I continued with the chisel, I found this deep cavity, so I switched to a curved chisel to reach inside to remove most of the debris. Now that I have the bulk of the soft fibrous wood removed, I'll put this in the oven for about 150 to 200 degrees for a few hours. That way, I'll kill off any fungus that may be living in the wood. Now it's time to start sanding, so I'm going to start with a 60 grit sanding paper or my mouse sander. After the 60 grit, I switched to the 80. I knew it was time to switch when there wasn't as much of the powdery dust anymore. I have all these deep areas that are hard to get to with the sander, so here I'm using a rough metal drill bit, kind of like a wire brush, to remove most of the bulk from the areas with these deep crevasses. I'm kind of excited that this hole goes all the way through, since I love adding agate stones and lights to my sculptures. When the sanding's all done, I add my beeswax and olive oil mixture, massage it in, and then use a hot gun to let it melt into the wood. Now comes the fun part, picking the right shape and color agate stone. Once I find a stone I'm happy with, I'll use a quick drying epoxy to hold it into place. And here you have it. I'll call this one my genie lamp. And as usual with my wood pieces, I've added a few Herkimer diamonds and other little gemstones. I hope you liked my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Ciao for now.